So guys, I'll start unboxing early. I can't wait. I know I have a gift down here. So Merry Christmas everybody. This was our Christmas tree this year. Yeah, I love it. Lovely. Let me get you the lighting. One sec. See that? Yeah, that was our Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my gifts. Oh, what kind of gifts that we like. So, Timothy, that's for me, right? And Christmas blessings. Ooh la la, look at that. Let's see. Yep. It's about 200 bucks in there. This is from Malaki. So, next gift, really wondering what it is. So, I treasure these little things. Oh, got me a wallet. Looks like a wallet it is. American bison. Beautiful. So that adds to my wallet collection. Yeah? I love the wood packaging and everything. And I think those were my two gifts. So tell me, what did you get for Christmas? Anyways, wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and happy 2026. Prosperous, money, love, blessings. Thank you.